Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Good morning. Thank you so much for starting off your day with us here on Sunrise. The time now is 5:17. You probably have been hearing all about the wildfires going on out west. As you know, they've been dealing with a heat wave and wildfires over the last several weeks, and the smoke from those wildfires have spread it out to the east. And it looks like over the next several days, we will be seeing a little bit of that haziness and smoke from those wildfires reach us here, especially in far northern Mississippi and Alabama. So for those of you in our northern counties, you may notice a little bit of some haze in those sunrises and sunsets over the next several days. And we will have some nice sunrises and sunsets as we are going to start returning to a typical summertime weather pattern with a mix of sun and clouds. Can't rule out the chance of those afternoon pop-up showers and storms, but the top weather story for the weekend into next week will be the return of the summer heat and the humidity, as those heat index values could make it feel like over 100 degrees out there. This morning, we are waking up to pretty quiet conditions. Kind of hard to pick up the low stratus clouds on our satellite and radar this morning. You can see a little bit of those clouds out in the distance this morning now that dawn is beginning to peek through our Alpha Insurance Skycam network. Road conditions looking A-OK for the morning commute. We're once again waking up to very mild temperatures this morning in the 70s across the region. Really nothing much going on across the deep south. We have this one little cold front pushing through the Tennessee Valley region, not going to have a big effect on us. High pressures down towards the Gulf. This is pretty much going to be moving into the region over the next several days, and that is what's going to help bring the return of the hot, humid summer conditions to North Mississippi and West Alabama. For today, high temperatures are going to start climbing back up to the upper 80s. We're going to see a chance for those afternoon showers and storms in the forecast when we get that peak daytime heating and a little bit of some instability developing. For today, 89 for Columbus into Starkville, 90 for places like Houston into West Point. Our average high for this time of the year is 93 degrees. So we're slowly going to start getting back up to those near average high temperatures as we head into the weekend and into early next week. But this is going to not factor the humidity and those dew points in the 70s. It's going to make the heat index feel like 100 and 105 degrees out there by the weekend into next week. So you will need to take the proper precautions to stay cool and hydrated. Here is another check of that hour-by-hour forecast. By midday, clouds will increase along with those spotty to scattered chances for afternoon showers and storms. And we're basically going to be hitting the repeat button with that over the next 5 to 7 days. Get ready, everyone, for the return of the summer heat. Now here's Lisa.
Isn't it great this summer that we're all